My mother was the king daddy, okay, of making no-bake cookies. Growing up, we had a bake sale at my school every single year. All the moms brought this recipe, but my mother's cookies were the only ones to sell out every single time. They were just that good. So today on Divas Can Cook, I'm going to share with you all the tips and tricks of getting the best no-bake cookies ever. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is measure out all of your ingredients, get them ready to go. This is a very easy recipe, but it goes quick. You want to work quick, so therefore make sure you have everything ready to go. And yes, I'm using a meat thermometer because that's all I got right now, okay? Moving right along, I have some sugar in a bowl. Next, I'm going to add in some unsweetened cocoa powder. And now for the best tip ever, you guys, cream of tartar. Yes, add this to your no-bake cookies. It's going to break down that sugar a little bit because we don't want those crusty, dry no-bake cookies. Oh, no. Cream of tartar will help your cookies set up and it will give it a beautiful fudgy texture. Oh my gosh, yes. So don't skip that cream of tartar. Whisk that all around really well. And now we're gonna move on to our butter. Add your butter into a deep skillet like this. That looks great. So when your butter starts to melt, next we're gonna add in some whole milk. Warm whole milk, okay? Add warm whole milk. My mother always did that, so I'm doing it too, all right? Now, I have tried this with half and half, heavy cream, all different types of milks, and I prefer it with whole milk. It just tastes so good with whole milk. Okay, next we're gonna add our sugar mixture right into our buttermilk mixture. And now here comes the next important tip. We're gonna stir this all around, and we're gonna keep our heat on low. We're gonna stir this until all of that sugar has dissolved. That is so important. And that cream of tartar is gonna help it dissolve really, really easily and quickly. So we're not gonna boil it, just keep it on low until it has dissolved. I usually get a little bit and kind of like rub it to my fingers. If I don't feel any granules, oh yeah, we're ready for the next step. And the next step is we're going to bring this to a rolling boil. And this is a no-fail technique my mother used. Here's what a rolling boil looks like when it's all bubbling up in the middle. As soon as it starts doing that, you want to set your timer for 2 minutes. Put that thermometer in there. We want to get this mixture to about 230 to 234 Fahrenheit. Okay, so adjust your heat. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes to get it there, so adjust your heat, turn it up, turn it down, whatever you need to do. This method always works. We're gonna do no counting, none of that, and it will set up beautifully every single time. Okay, so now we can remove it from the heat. Okay, it's still nice and hot and bubbly. We're gonna add our peanut butter. Use whatever peanut butter you could eat by the spoonful. Okay, I'll put the brands that I use, but yeah, you want your peanut butter to be one that you really, really like. All right, stir that peanut butter in there, and it's so hot, so it melts very quickly. We're gonna work quickly because we want this to stay hot. Next, we're gonna add in our quick 1-minute cooking oats. Don't use those old-fashioned kind. Honey, you feel like a horse eating them things. Use the 1-minute quick cooking oats. Stir those oats in there, okay? If you want to add some vanilla extract, you can add that too. I do that sometimes, but yeah, you can do that if you want to. All right, so go ahead and stir that on up just like that. And now the last final step, okay? We're gonna add a splash of milk. Now, I don't know why, I don't know what it do, so don't ask. I just know it works, okay? It just works, and it makes the cookies so bomb. Okay, so that looks great. We're gonna stir it just until it's combined. Don't keep stirring up, you can have some ashy cookies. Make sure you just stir it just until all that's combined. And now you wanna place these on your prepared pan. I like to make them thick, make them nice and thick. Don't do them thin. You want them thick so that when you bite into it, it's like biting into a piece of fudge with oatmeal. It's so good when you make them nice and thick. I use like 2 scoops per cookie. Yep, that's how I like it. Okay, so go ahead and plop these down onto your cookie sheet. Let them sit for about 30-40 minutes, just until they are nice and firm. And then you guys, you have the creamiest, fudgiest, no-bake cookies ever. They just get better the next day. They really do. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.